Let's create a camera base. Press K for knife cut. Create an edge with these points. Create a knife cut here also. Now select all the faces of the camera base. Now extrude these faces like this. Select all the faces from the sides. Now a little bevel. Add 2 loop cuts here for future use. Add 2 loop cuts here. Add a knife cut in parallel with the camera base. Add another knife cut here. Drag these edges down a little. Add a knife cut here again. Dissolve this edge and make it a single face. Now extrude this face, it will be our fingerprint sensor. Add some bevel here too. Let's add side buttons. Add 2 loop cuts here. Select the edge, and add bevel with 1 segment. Extrude the face and add some bevel too. Let's edit the port. Now it's looking good. Let's create a charging port. Dissolve that edge. Insert that face and scale down on the x-axis. Extrude it inside. Select 2 edges and add bevel. Then extrude it a little. That's for today.